Hey, what's up? What's up? What's going on? Just want to let you guys know about a new listing on Cointopia. I'm sorry. KuCoins. KuCoins. And I'm telling you, this is a platform that I'm going in on it. I'm going in. Every time new listings get on there, I make it a habit to go ahead and grab a little bit of it, because what happens with KuCoins is some of the newest um, coins that are coming out of ICO that are they go on KuCoin, not on a lot of other exchanges. I'm talking about top-notch quality coins, the ones that in ICO a lot of people are looking at or trying to get to, but maybe because they're in the Asian market, um, you don't have the opportunity to get any because of the KYC specifications or whatever it might be. Keeping, a lot of these ICOs don't want the U.S. to participate, and even if you have a VPN, they always or like to vet the people that are signing up, finding out, are you really not from the United States? So what do you do when that happens? Then you look for it to hit the exchange. And like I said, I've been noticing KuCoin they get a lot of the good ICOs, which are the ones that are in the Asian market right about now. So um, today we're going to talk about Fortuna, and this is their website, forta.top. A little bit different from what you've seen, and you can go on there and look at their white paper. They have it in Chinese and in English, but on KuCoins, and you can find the link to sign up for KuCoins. What's unique about KuCoins is if you buy KuCoins, which are KuCoin shares, you actually are now able to get a percentage of the fees. 50% of the fees are being shared with the platform, and whatever coin that fee is generated in, you will receive it in your wallet. So now you will see yourself starting to accumulate coins that you didn't even buy. Yep, you will generate coins that you didn't even purchase. You will start to see a fraction or small percentage of that coin start to accumulate into your wallets as they collect their fees, and it's shared with everybody on the platform that actually buy KuCoin shares. And KuCoin shares is at a good price itself right now. It's down from its high. Its high was almost $20, and you can see right now it's at 786. So that's a good buy. There's a few other ones on here that I like to cover. That's new: Trinity and Singularity Net AG. This is an AI program. Self Key. This is another one that you got to keep your eye on. Telcoin and Trade.io, and it doesn't show it up here on the front, but Trade.io is another one that um, just fell into the mix, and it's right here. We'll show you that in a minute as well. But let's go to Fortuna. Um, and what you can get a 30% off your trading fees if you go ahead and get participate in this little promotion that they got going on. They say they're extremely proud of announcing another great project coming to the trading platform, January 25th, which is just in a couple of days, and that's why I'm trying to get this out there in front of you guys to let you know, because sometimes you're looking for a good investment, and like I said, I'm not your financial advisor or your investment coach, but I'm just shedding light on what's happening in the industry, so you'll know. A lot of times position means everything, and if you can get out on these not ICOs, but these previous ICOs that are now going to the exchange, you can catch it at a low price. And you don't want to be the one that slept. And by the time you realize that it did come out, then it's already at $2, $3, $4, $5 or $20 to $100 when you could have got it for 50 cent or pennies, so to speak. So they said that ICO price for one FTOA was 8 cents USD. So I'm curious to find out what the price will be when it hits the exchange. But 8 cent, I mean, that's a good price. So look to get anywhere from 1,000, 2,000 coins real easy from the start. It says Fortuna will inspire a new mode of thinking for the global OTC derivative market and make the tools of hedging more available, more popular. And I don't know what the OTC derivatives are, but that's something that sounds real technical to me, which it probably is. And as long as it's doing what it's doing, I have to do some more research on what that actually is. But this price point and it being on Kucoin lets me know that this project is not just a fly-by-night project. They don't just let anybody host their coins up on their site. So this is something worth looking into. And then, like I said, at 8 cent or whatever it is going to be when it launches onto the exchange on the 25th, is worth maybe dropping a couple dollars on, because experience from the past and different coins that has hit Kucoins has been really, really rewarding and profitable for me. So like I said, it doesn't take rocket science to figure this thing out or to even put a little money into it to see what happens. It's not a financial loss because like I said, at 8 cent, 10 cent, 25 cent, that's, unless you invest in thousands of dollars onto these coins, then it's not a real what I say, risky investment. Very modest. $20, $50 to $100 is not a lot of money to put on something. Anyway, so you can check out more on that Fortuna. You can go to their site. You can go to Google and look up Fortuna. I bet you'll have a harder time than I will, just like I did looking for this. But they actually have a website and you can check them out. Trade.io is another one. Trade.io is coming on, or it's already hit on the 23rd. So if you missed out, you can go to KuCoins. It's already there on Trade.io, and it's at a good price. Let's see if they show what it was in the ICO. It doesn't say on this one anyway. And it says that they're comprised of a team who remembers 2008 crash of the world's economy, and they have created a revolutionary platform for trading assets using the blockchain that is transparent and truly aimed to prevent future financial crisis. So they have a purpose, a method, and the madness behind their platform. The transparency of the blockchain is disrupting the establishment and will insert true honesty and fair trading practices to an industry riddled on backroom deals and manipulation. So they have a cause, they have a reason, a method for the madness. Using TIO tokens in the custom exchange will enable users to trade cryptocurrency, fiat currency, and eventually other assets to such as precious metals, oils, commodities, and global equities, to name a few. Fees will come down, transparency will go up, and proactive approach to a outdated financial industry is finally here. So bringing you up to date, putting you in, giving you confidence and trust behind what they're doing on the blockchain. Something very, very unique, I guess you could say, and revolutionaries. You know, they have a cause behind them, Trade.io. And I think Trade.io hit the exchange at about 24 cents, I want to say. 24 cent. I don't know what it's going at right now. Let's see if I can find out what it's at right now. Man, that's a big drop right there. See, you get your discount. It had went all the way up. Now it's all the way down. Right where you need to jump in at. If you was using your Fibonacci tool, it would probably be retracement. It's probably done past the 60 to 70% area, I'm sure. But this doesn't have that on there. I don't think. I have to check it out. I don't really do any trading on here, or I used to do a little bit, but now I'm retired from that. It's better ways to make money. I see with less headache and sitting behind a computer every day, with lending or with these ICOs. So it's, what was the Trade.io is TOI, I think it is. There it is right here, TIO backwards. So it's 65 cents. 65 cents. And let me click on this and see what the action is. Yeah, so 65 cents. You can see nothing is really happening right now, but it just hit. It just hit. So you don't want to miss out. You want to make sure you go ahead and get in the game on that Trade.io. And it was one more that I want to talk to you guys about. Let me see. Trade.io and Trinity, and it's been out too. It's actually out, but you know, just to bring a little light, bring a little attention on Trinity. The ticker symbol is TNC, Trinity Network Credit, and TNC is a protocol fuel for Trinity Network, which is used to pay the deposit for state channel and cost of fuel requisite for channels establishment reward. So basically, to sum all this up, is like Neo, in order for you to do certain transactions, from what I heard, that, you know, certain transactions you have to put a lot of gas on it. And what this does, allows you to send it from an alternative way to send it with less fees. So has a purpose. And if you guys know, like I know with Neo is the Chinese Ethereum. So you're looking for Neo to do some big things. And if this is partnering, or at least in partnership and works with Neo or anything like that, then I'm looking for this to be a big. If you look at gas, let me see if I can pull up coin market cap. I'll leave that alone. But gas in itself, just like works with Neo, you have to have gas to send it. But then when you have to use too much gas, then you need something to help you relieve it. You know what I mean? No, just playing. But you need something like this that comes into play to help you reduce the cost of whatever transaction you're trying to send. So I guess it has a purpose. It has a purpose. Neo isn't used by the mass adoption. It's just like, Bitcoin isn't used by a whole bunch of people. It's starting to be, but let's see what happens. But right now, Trinity it's at 23 cents. So 23 cents, and it came in and then it dropped, and then now it's pretty much at a low right now. So let's go see what it looks like on the charts, and we're gonna wrap this up. but as you can see, a little activity. It's just getting started right here, just getting started. So that's your two. You got your Fortuna, you got Trinity, you have Trade.io. Make sure you go check them out on Kucoin's phenomenal site, top of the line site. I'm telling you, make sure you get you some Kucoin shares so you can get in the game and start getting some of these coins given to you just by being a holder of that coin. So you guys be blessed, and hoping you enjoyed the video. I know it was long. I know some of these are long, but hey, I like to give you the information and give it all to you and not sugarcoat it. I mean, we could break everything down to the fine details, but there's so much information out here about this stuff. Like I said, what I want to do is just bring it to your attention and put it on your radar and make you think. Make you think, because if we change the way you think, it will change the way you earn. You guys be blessed. Sam Warren Nix, Next Level Entrepreneur. Make sure you like and subscribe. Hit that like button. Make sure you leave a comment. And most definitely hit the post notifications so you can get every video that comes out and get it right when it hits the press, because you don't want to miss sometimes these ICO alerts. And as usual, if I don't see you at the top, I see you from the top.